What is HTML? Well, HTML is hypertext markup language. Now we look at a website. See, look at this website, the whole website. What you see, the front end. Yeah. When you hear this word front end, it means what you see here, not what is happening in the site server. So in the front end, whatever you see is basically the HTML. See, this is a menu. This is a menu. These are the images. All that is being developed by HTML. Now, HTML is all about elements. This is an element, this is a menu element, this is a button, this is an image. So, all these are elements. Now, HTML is not a programming language. In a programming language, you can do all that mathematical stuff. So, you can run a loop, you can actually do the decision makings, all that, but you can't do all that in HTML because HTML is not a programming language. What HTML does is you have to say what HTML has to do. So you're saying hello world is a text that you need to see in the browser. It has to be bold. You just say that and it displays that in bold. And you say that this has to be in the underline. So when you do that, the browser actually does that. So the browser understands this. So when the browser sees this document, when it looks at this document, it passes that document. It sees that, okay, this is a HTML document. So there has to be a head. Yes, there is a head. There has to be a body. So whatever content lies inside the body has to be displayed here. So that's what the browser does. Now the browser looks at this, so it understands that this has to be bold and this has to be underlined based on this tag. So browser understands the HTML file because these are all elements that has been defined by the HTML side of world, the browser side of world, the consortium. Okay, so this consortium identifies that when you say B, it is bold. So these are all browser defined tags.